Still spending your paycheck like it's monopoly money? That's why most people your age are broke. But what if I told you every single dollar you earn could actually work for you even while you sleep? Stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to turn every paycheck into serious wealth, step by step. Most people work paycheck to paycheck their whole lives. It's a draining cycle. But what if I told you that your paycheck, the very thing you work so hard for, could be the engine that builds real, lasting wealth? Today, I am going to show you exactly how to turn every dollar you earn into a clear path toward financial freedom. Let's get started. First things first, you have to know where your money is going. It's like trying to navigate a ship without a map. You'll just end up adrift. So, for 1 month, I want you to track every single expense. Yes, every coffee, every subscription, every late-night snack. Categorize everything: your rent, your groceries, your fun money, and what you're putting into savings. A great framework to start with is the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income goes to your absolute needs, things like housing, utilities, and transportation. 30% is for your wants, dining out, hobbies, and entertainment. And the most important part? 20% is dedicated to savings and investing. This isn't just about restriction, it's about awareness. Gaining awareness is the absolute first step to taking control of your finances and telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Okay, step 2 is the secret weapon of successful savers: automation. You need to pay yourself first. And the easiest way to do that is to make it automatic. Log into your bank account right now or after this video and set up recurring automatic transfers. On every payday, have a set amount of money moved from your checking account directly into a high-yield savings account in your investment accounts. Why is this so effective? Because it completely removes the temptation to spend that money. It's out of sight, out of mind. You learn to live on the rest. And consistency is key. Even $100 a week, automatically invested, will compound and grow much faster than trying to make sporadic, large deposits whenever you feel like you have extra cash. Automation builds discipline without you even having to think about it. Now, before you go all in on investing and start dreaming of stock market millions, you need to build a safety net. This is your emergency fund, and it's non-negotiable. Your goal here is to save up 3 to 6 months worth of essential living expenses. Think about it: rent, food, bills. What's the bare minimum you need to survive? Calculate that number and start building that fund in a separate, easily accessible high-yield savings account. This fund is your financial bodyguard. When an unexpected car repair pops up or you have a sudden medical bill, you won't have to panic and sell your investments at the worst possible time. This emergency fund protects your long-term wealth-building plan and ensures that a small setback doesn't derail your entire journey to financial freedom. Alright, with your safety net in place, it's time for the fun part: making your money work for you through investing. This is how you truly build wealth. Start by opening a tax-advantaged retirement account. If you're in the US, this could be a 401k through your employer or an IRA, which you can open on your own. These accounts offer amazing tax benefits that help your money grow faster. Then, for any extra funds you have after contributing to those, open a standard brokerage account. Now, what should you invest in? Don't overcomplicate it. Focus on low-cost index funds or ETFs, which give you instant diversification across the whole market. Think of it as buying a small piece of hundreds of top companies at once. You can also look into dividend-paying stocks, which pay you just for owning them. The key here, again, is consistency. Making small, regular investments from every paycheck is what allows the magic of compound interest to turn small sums into serious wealth over time. Speaking of your employer, let us talk about one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make: leaving free money on the table. If your company offers a 401k or a similar retirement plan with an employer match, you need to take full advantage of it. Here's how it usually works. Your employer agrees to match your contributions up to a certain percentage of your salary. For example, they might match 100% of your contributions up to 5% of your pay. If you don't contribute at least enough to get that full match, you are literally throwing away free money. This is an instant, guaranteed 100% return on your investment, and you won't find that anywhere else. Before you do any other investing, make sure you are contributing enough to capture every single dollar of your employer's match. It's the fastest and easiest way to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Now, let's turbocharge your progress. There are two sides to the wealth-building equation: how much you save and how much you earn. To really speed things up, you need to attack both. First, look for ways to reduce your expenses. Go back to that budget you made. Are there subscriptions you don't use? Can you cook at home more often? Every dollar you cut from your expenses is another dollar you can invest. At the same time, look for ways to increase your income. This could mean negotiating for a raise at your current job, picking up a side hustle you enjoy, or starting a small freelance business. When you combine cutting unnecessary expenses with boosting your income, suddenly you can double or even triple your investment contributions. The best part? You can do this without drastically changing your core lifestyle. Finally, wealth building isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game forever. You need to track your progress and adjust your strategy along the way. At least once a month, take a few minutes to check in on your finances. Monitor your net worth, which is your assets minus your liabilities, and review your investment growth. Are you on track to meet your goals? Maybe you got a raise and can increase your automatic contributions. Maybe your portfolio has gotten a little too heavy in one area, and it's time to rebalance. Wealth grows fastest when you pay attention to it. Making these small, incremental improvement and consistent tweaks will keep your financial engine running smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you reach your destination faster. So there you have it. Turning your paycheck into wealth isn't magic, it's a system. Track your money. Automate your savings, build your emergency fund, invest for the long term, and consistently grow your contributions. It all starts with a decision. Start with your very next paycheck, and I promise you, you'll look back in 5 or 10 years completely amazed at what you've built. If you found this guide helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step financial strategies. And let me know in the comments below, what is the first move you're going to make after watching this video? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.